Hello everyone, I'm back. My name is Guillaume Doerig and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I received this as a gift from my wife for Christmas and it's a pair of beautiful Carson JR Series 10x42 binoculars. So I thought I could take this opportunity to make an unboxing video for you guys. Let's get cracking. So open this. Let's see what we have here. First up, the strap, very important lens cleaner. And here they are. Look at that. Beautiful little bag, quite stylish, and I think this comes with a strap as well, it should. So, oh, I think the strap's inside. Of course you have these little things. Put them to one side. So it's a beautiful little box. So let's have a look at the binoculars themselves. Little manual. Beautiful. Here's the strap for the bag. Strap that on later. Binoculars. So, carefully remove the bag. Look at these. These look absolutely gorgeous. Protective lids, I guess you could call them, on each of the lens eyepieces. Beautiful. They fit well in the hand and nice texture. Lovely. Good if you have quite big hands like I do, but not too small. Let's try and put the strap on so that we can see how it looks. Now, this is the first unboxing video that I'm doing, so bear with me as I try to make it good. I can always cut some bits out to make it more interesting for you guys, so I probably will do that. Say hello, say hello to my wife, she's helping me out. Thanks, love. Ah, it is underneath, yeah. Wow. Ah, excellent. And that's it, isn't it? So then you have to do... Oh no, that's a piece of it fell off. So basically, what you have to do is strap in the thinner strap and include the protective case when you do that. Maybe you can leave it until it's almost done and then I can do the last part.
Okay.
Alright.
So I can think that you did it.
Yeah. Where does this one have to go again? Okay. Almost done with this. Gotta just put it through there to create a sort of loop and tighten it once it's through. That's what we're gonna do. There we go. It's alright. This is good, it's like comedy, isn't it?
Do you need help?
No, I think it's alright. There we go. Okay, excellent. Although I think it's the wrong way around because the Carson thing has to...
Oh, I think that doesn't really matter.
Doesn't? What do you think?
No.
Okay, so basically, when I stand up, it might be a bit too low, but this is it. So with the strap, right? And these can detach, right, when you're out birding. And the reason it's good to include these protective pieces here is that you can just let them hang. Oh wow. I'm looking out the backyard now, they're fantastic. Lovely. I need to rectify the focus a little bit on the right lens, as you do for binoculars. But these are excellent. Really nice. Alright, I'll put the casings back on. See, they never stray far when you have these. Now let's work on the strap for the bag. I intend to take care of these. They're going to last a lifetime and more. So, let's have a look. This is a bit simpler than the binoculars. The binocular strap, you can simply just attach it like that, as so, and same with the other side. And there you have the little satchel good to go. Dispose of the bags. I'll keep this to one side, might leave it in the bag. Let's have a look at the instructions. This is what comes with the Carsons. They're quite good. So this basically just has all the information you need, you know, the warranty, and all that stuff, and how to clean them, and the basic binocular terminology. So yeah, pretty much. So now that we've got them unboxed, I would like to go and test them in the field, because that's what they're for, isn't it? But before I do that, just want to reiterate that these are 10x42. The ones I had before, the binoculars I had before, were Bushnell 10x50s, the waterproof legacy model. But this one is quite different. So, well, firstly because it's a roof prism, and my other ones were a Poro prism. So you can check that video out up here. But these are the new ones I'll be having from now on. And so yeah, they're fully multi-coated lenses, waterproof as well, apparently. And I'm excited to try them out. So see you on the road out there right now. See ya. Okay, good. That was good. Yeah, it was funny.
That was kind of funny.
Hey everyone, we're up here in the hills, and it's a beautiful day, so it's a good opportunity to try out the binoculars. They've been traveling in the case, so I can protect them. So now, I can put them around my neck, and we'll see how they go. Hopefully we can see some good birds. It's summer though, so the birds are a bit quieter, but we'll see what we can find. Alright, let's roll. So we're gonna, that's just Amsterdam. He likes coming with us on these things. We're gonna do an eBird list, obviously. And hopefully we can get some good birds. It's the last day of the year today, and hopefully it'll be a good end to this difficult year. I think you'll all agree that it was a difficult year. Starting checkpoint. Look at this view. It's beautiful. Really nice. And today we've decided to come out a bit earlier, so it's not as hot. It's kind of hot, but it's less hot than it would be later on in the day. You might recognize this place from my other video, the documentary, the first episode of Birding Today, which you can see here. It's very good, I recommend it. The reason we're not going anywhere else that's a bit more interesting is because of the situation in Chile with coronavirus. We can't really do much, but this is good, you know, this is enough. Oh, what have we got here? Shiny cowbird. Lovely, lovely male. These are great. The color is really nice. Like, you know, oh, there he goes. The colors are very deep, you know, they're very pronounced. Now, I wanted to highlight the difference between this model here, the one we're reviewing today and unboxing. Well, it's already unboxed. And this other one, which is the 10x34 RD Carson model. So you can see the difference. The difference in size is considerable. And that's because these are 10x42, so the objective lens diameter is bigger, and this one is only 34 millimeters. So you have a very big difference, substantial difference, although these are still very good. So yeah, let's keep it up. These binoculars are great. After trying them out in the field, as we're doing now, the thing that I like about them is how they feel in hand, because I've always wanted to swap to a roof prism, which is the one where the binoculars are straight like that and the light passes straight through, and they have a really good depth of color, good field of view, and yeah, I'm gonna need to test them a bit more over the coming weeks and months, but so far on the first day of field testing they are satisfactory. Very nice. And I understand that they're quite affordable as well, although I don't know exactly how much they cost because this was a gift.
Do you want me to tell you how much they cost?
No. Oh, maybe, yeah, how much?
Like 105 lucas.
Okay. 105,000 Chilean pesos. And I'll put the conversions to USD and AUD on the screen. But they are very good. They're excellent. And they're nifty, they're small, they're compact. And, oh, there's Amsterdam there. So all told, Carson, good brand. And, oh, there's something over there. Good brand if you're on a budget, and they're definitely a good option if you're looking to renew your binoculars like I was. So that's it for me. I really hope to see you guys sooner after all this coronavirus business is over, because in Chile we're in lockdown on weekends and I have to work during the week, and we don't have proper mobility, so because we don't have a car. But other than that, we hope to see you soon, either on my channel here or on my sister channel, well, our sister channel, G&H Explore, which is a vlog that me and my wife have running. It's been on a hiatus now though, for obvious reasons, but we'll see you out there soon, hopefully next year. So take care, stay safe, and greetings from Chile. Bye bye.